In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Workweek in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Wrike account. You can either enter your credentials manually, or if you prefer, use your linked Google account for a quicker login. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now, the next step is to navigate to your settings. For that, look for your profile photo located in the top left corner of the interface. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, simply select Settings. This brings you to a page filled with options to customize your Wrike experience. Once you're in the Settings page, your next destination is the Account Management section. As you scroll down, look for an option labeled Work Schedules. Click on that to access the area where you can tweak your Workweek setup. All right, now we're getting to the fun part, editing your work schedule. You'll see a button that says Edit Workweek. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can customize which days are included in your Workweek. It's really straightforward. You'll be able to toggle on or off the days that you want to include. In this section, you can also specify the start and end times for each day you select. So if you usually start at 9 and finish at 5, you'll be able to set those exact hours here. Feel free to make any adjustments that suit your workflow best. Once you're satisfied with the changes you made, the next step is to apply and save your modifications. Click on the Apply Changes button to update your view. This gives you a nice preview of how your newly configured Workweek looks before you finalize anything. And here's the final touch. Don't forget to click Save Changes. This crucial step seals the deal, ensuring that your updated schedule is locked in across the system. You'll want to see your changes reflected in all your project timelines and task deadlines, so this step is essential. After you've saved your changes, take a moment to explore the interface again. You should now see your new Workweek reflected in all relevant areas. It's a little tweak, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your projects and time within Wrike. And that's all there is to it. Changing your Workweek in Wrike is quick and easy, and it can really help you structure your work in a way that suits you best. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it.